So if you're watching this video, it makes me think that you want to become a more organized person. Whether you hoard in your house or whether you just have a cluttered household or you're all crazy busy in your head thinking about bills and things to do, this video will really help you become a more organized person in an organized household. So let's go through some of the stages in order to help you become a more organized person. So step one is all about decluttering your house. Having objects in your house that you're not using is cluttering not only your house but also cluttering your mind. Having clutter means extra cleaning, trying to store things in cupboards can become impossible because you have so much stuff. So what I'd recommend to do is, number one, get a trestle table or use a dining room table. So you can pull some of these things out in order to declutter on. Using your bed or your sofa is hard. Things get thrown on there, it just gets all messy. So have a separate zone in your house, a decluttering zone. It will really help you. Alongside your table, make sure you have two tubs. One is for throwing out and the other one is donating, whether you're donating to a friend or to a charity shop. It will really help you. You may also want to have another tub in there, which could be donate to charity or donate to a friend. So think about all the different things that you may want to do with these objects and set up your tubs accordingly. And number two is also to only concentrate first of all on the areas that you use all the time. So maybe consider like the kitchen and living areas, maybe your bedroom or your bathroom or even your laundry. Think about the high use areas and do those ones first because they're the ones that are cluttering your mind. So psychologically, it's not very good for you. And by doing this and being more organized, I promise you, you will live a more harmonious lifestyle. So maybe do one room at a time, or even while you're cooking dinner, open one of your drawers and just declutter what's in there straight away. Or take the whole drawer out, take it to your decluttering zone on your table with your tubs and quickly organize it and then take it back. Just doing baby steps will be a lot easier than attacking a whole house all in one go. When you're decluttering, consider, am I gonna use it? Am I gonna wear it? Am I gonna display it? If the answer is I'm not sure, then maybe it's time to go. If you haven't worn it in the last 6 months, I'd say get rid of it, unless it's occasion wear. And occasion wear, I would definitely put them in the long dress bags. Maybe put like 6 dresses in there at one time or 6 suits in there at one time and zip them up. It'll compress them a little bit better and will save some room in your wardrobe. Now I think everybody has one of these cupboards or drawers where you just throw everything in. I know that I like to keep all my surfaces nice and tidy, so if people leave stuff on the side, it just gets chucked in there. Maybe attack that one first. I know mine certainly needs doing at the moment. I can't find anything in there and it's really frustrating, so definitely don't forget that one. Going through wardrobes, kids' clothes, I know that I get given a lot of hand-me-downs, so my kids' drawers tend to be always chocker full of clothes and they grow so quickly. So going through and looking at the t-shirts that they wear, are they still into the item anymore? Go through, declutter and donate. It will really help you in the mornings when you're trying to get everything ready. When it comes to the morning routine, I always say prepare, prepare, prepare. Do it the night before. Get the kids' bags out, get your own bags out. Do they need their library book in there? Do they need their bag book in there? With myself, you know, which job am I going to? What tools am I going to need in order to do my job? So get everything in there, get it all ready. It will really, really help you. And also lay all the clothes out that are going to be worn the next day and encourage your kids to get changed by themselves. Doing this will help you and save you loads of time. I even get the cereal boxes out, I get the plates or the bowls out. I literally get everything ready the night before. in the morning, I don't want to be yelling at my kids, brush your teeth, do this, do that, because they're going to be yelling back at me. So I try and have a lot more calmness in the household in the morning, and it makes me feel good and it starts the day out good too. Writing a list for the things that aren't objects in your house is definitely the way to go. You can do a list on your phone if you like, but I prefer doing my list on pen and paper. That way I can throw it in my bag, or I can just leave it on the side for everybody else to see. Having a cluttered mind is not good for your psychological well-being. Having all these things to do is not good for you. Write it down. Don't keep remaking lists. Write it down, cross them off. Seeing all those crosses will make you feel so proud, like you've achieved something. So keep doing that, keep putting things down and tick these jobs off. Whether it's paying a credit card bill, whether it's ringing your electricity provider for a better deal, put all these things down on paper and go through them as quickly as you can, but efficiently as well. Honestly, doing this will ease your mind so much. So once you've decluttered all these items, it means that you can now become more organized. So I definitely recommend putting things in categories. So for example, in your linen cupboard, put all the towels together, put all the bed linen together, and start to consider some storage containers that you can use to place these items in. Storage containers are an expense, but they do have a place in your household as well, and will help you keep on top of things and be more organized. Definitely using storage containers in your pantry and categorizing cans, categorizing pastas, categorizing all your tomato sauces and barbecue sauces. It will enable you to see what you need and what you need to buy ASAP, or maybe you don't need to buy any of it because you have 3 of them already. So definitely storage containers do have a place, but don't buy them early on. Declutter first, categorize all your items first, and then you know exactly what tub is gonna fit these items in. My last step to being organized is meal planning. Meal planning is totally key for being organized, saving money because you're not buying double ups. And also in the evening, I wanna come home and know that I have all the ingredients for that dish. So plan what you're gonna be eating throughout the week, and when you come home, you have everything there, ready, easy to go. If you can, pre-prepare a few things the night before to make your life a little bit easier when you come home. I hope these tips have really helped you think about how you can become more organized. Please comment below if there's anything that you would like to know. I'll pop the link to my unique meal planners to help you be more organized below too. So till next week, guys, hope you have a more organized, harmonious and peaceful lifestyle. See you.